Are you tired of your AirPods running out of battery too quickly? In this video, we'll cover the best battery-saving tips to maximize your AirPods lifespan. We'll focus on practical steps you can take right now in February 2026 based on the latest advancements and user data. AirPods consume power through three main sources: Bluetooth connectivity, audio processing, and sensors. Understanding these fundamentals helps you minimize battery drain for longer listening time. First, Bluetooth connectivity requires constant wireless communication between your AirPods and device. This steady data exchange uses significant power, especially when maintaining a stable connection. Second, audio processing powers features like noise cancellation and spatial audio. These advanced algorithms analyze and modify sound in real time, demanding substantial battery power from the AirPods processors. Third, various sensors detect when AirPods are in your ears, monitor motion, and enable automatic pause-play functions. These sensors constantly check your environment and usage patterns, adding to battery consumption. Certain features are particularly power-intensive. Spatial audio creates immersive 3D sound by processing audio differently for each ear, while transparency mode lets you hear your surroundings by actively canceling noise in a different way. Finally, the distance between your AirPods and connected device affects battery life. Bluetooth signals weaken over distance, requiring more power to maintain connection. Staying closer to your device helps preserve battery. To save battery, minimize these power drains by disabling unused features, staying close to your device, and being mindful of audio processing demands. Understanding these fundamentals allows you to make better choices for longer AirPods usage. One of the easiest ways to extend your AirPods battery life is by disabling features you're not actively using. Spatial audio creates an immersive three-dimensional sound experience, but it requires significant processing power from your AirPods chip. Turn it off when you're not watching movies or listening to spatial audio content to conserve battery power. Transparency mode allows you to hear your surroundings by letting external sounds pass through, but it constantly uses the microphones and processing. Disable it when you're in quiet environments or don't need to hear ambient sounds around you. Adaptive EQ automatically adjusts the audio equalization based on the shape of your ears for optimal sound, but this requires ongoing audio processing. Turn it off when you're doing basic listening tasks and don't need personalized audio adjustments. To turn these features off, go to your iPhone's Settings app, tap Bluetooth, find your AirPods in the list, tap the information icon, and then adjust the toggles for each feature as needed. Let's explore ways to optimize your AirPods audio and connectivity settings to maximize battery life. Lowering the volume reduces the power needed by the amplifier, helping to conserve battery life. Using mono audio mode, where only one AirPod is active, can effectively double your listening time compared to stereo playback. Staying within the Bluetooth range of 10 to 30 meters prevents your AirPods from constantly attempting to reconnect, which uses extra battery power. Disabling automatic ear detection prevents the sensors from constantly checking if the AirPods are in your ears, which conserves additional battery power. Proper charging and storage are essential for maintaining your AirPods battery health. Let's explore the best practices. First, avoid overcharging your AirPods. Unplug them once they reach full charge to prevent battery stress and extend lifespan. Store your AirPods in the charging case when not in use. This provides trickle charging that maintains optimal battery health without overcharging. Keep your AirPods in a cool, dry environment. Extreme temperatures can accelerate battery degradation and reduce overall lifespan. Try to keep the AirPods at room temperature when not in use. This stable environment helps preserve battery capacity over time. Following these charging and storage practices will help your AirPods maintain optimal battery health for longer. Always keep your AirPods firmware up to date. Apple frequently releases updates that include power optimizations. A 2023 case study showed that users who ignored firmware updates experienced battery issues, which were later resolved after updating. Check the settings on your connected device to ensure you have the latest software. Real-world examples show the impact of battery-saving techniques on AirPods performance. A 2025 TechCrunch user trial with 500 participants showed that enabling optimized battery charging in iOS settings extended battery life by 20% over 6 months. A Macworld analysis of a professional audio engineer demonstrated that switching to mono mode during long sessions doubled playback time, achieving 10 hours from a single AirPod charge compared to 5 hours in stereo. Experts emphasize software optimizations, with Apple engineers noting that AI in iOS 18 reduces idle power by 12% through predictive features that learn user habits. The future of AirPods battery tech is heading towards sustainability and AI-driven efficiency. Expect to see more eco-friendly batteries incorporating recycled materials. AI integration will enable predictive low-power modes based on user routines. While AR/VR features may increase battery drain, advancements are underway. Advancements in lithium-ion chemistries aim to double battery life by 2030. Keep an eye out for wireless charging standardization across Apple's ecosystem. Customizable power profiles will be available in future iOS updates.